Hi, kitty. So guys, that's the villa we are staying in. I'll show you inside later. So let's go check out the beach. Beach. I can't wait to take a picture on this. Oh, nice. So looks like the water looks like the water went out for lunch. So when the water comes back, I'll take you guys along with me and we can swim together. For now, let's have a look on what Pakacha Bungalows has to offer for accommodation. Wow, but they are dead. So bathroom. There's a nice shelf here. Wait, I don't know what's this. Okay, it's some deco. Then, so that's the room, guys. In Paja, it has 2 beds. What do we call this? Two in one. Yeah, it has 2 beds. Just a simple room, shelf, and a shelf right there. And then we have the bathroom. Ooh. Hi. And then we have the bathroom. Very simple. So that's it. So guys, of course you have to do local or do something when you go to another country, and I'm currently trying Kilimanjaro, which is their premium lager, unlike Tusker, which is our premium lager in Kenya. So if you come to Tanzania, please make sure to try Kilimanjaro beer.
Make sure you subscribe to Michi Smiley YouTube channel. Now, I'm a VIP.